have a 2025, it's a Ram 1500 Tradesman with the 3.6 V6. We just did a nice catback dual exhaust system out to some nice rectangular tips, as you can see. Put a Flowmaster 50 muffler on it, kind of an old school, a little quieter than the Flowmaster 40. It's got an extra chamber in there to keep the tone down and try to kill some of the drone. Should just have a little rumble to it when you get on it. Wake it up a little bit. Let's see what it sounds like. There you go. Like I said, when you get on the throttle a little bit, you're going to hear this. Sounds pretty good back here. That's what we're talking about. Sounds good.